everyone. Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss any update from Indian Wikimedia.
Start. Hi Seban, welcome to Indian Wikimedia.
Hello Manisha.
How are you?
Thank you so much. I'm super good.
Thank
like
you,
always.
thank you so much.
Yeah.
To you too. So we would like to know what is keeping you busy these days.
A lot of things. To tell you frankly, a lot of books are keeping me busy these days. I'm loving reading books. I've got back to it after like 2-3 years, and I was completely out of touch with books, and now I've got back to it, and I'm loving it again. It's the best thing. I think books are your best friends in a way.
Very
So that's
true.
one thing, and that's now gym is another thing actually. I've recently become a gym freak, and I'm loving it, and going to the gym every day. And it's giving it a different high, you know. It's a different level, you know, that the positivity and everything. It's something else. So books and gym, they entirely opposite, but they gel really well. You go home, you read, then you're done with your books, and you go to the gym and you work out. And I don't know, I'm loving it. It's different.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're not following any television shows?
I on and off I watch Behad actually,
Okay.
and Udaan sometimes because I am a part of it
True.
and I was a part of it. So yeah. Khatro Ke Khiladi is one which even if I don't watch, Ritvik and Wahi makes us watch. कि ये देखो ये क्या किया हमने, ये देखो ये क्या किया. So yeah, that's one more stuff. Otherwise, a lot of Netflix and yeah, lot of movies and everything. That's always been there. Yeah.
You have been a lot of part of a lot of shows. So any current favorite or any favorite of yours?
The show which I have done.
Yes,
or-
yes.
See, to tell you frankly, दिल मिल गया यार, दिल मिल गए, मेरा दिल मिल गया, मतलब वो actually दिल मिल गए, वो हम सबके लिए, चाहे वो मैं हूँ, चाहे वो वाही हो, चाहे वो कोई भी हो,
Me
मतलब
too.
we all of us, है ना?
Yeah,
एक
definitely.
एक family है वो, और thankfully I have started with that, you know?
True.
मतलब to start with, आपको दिल मिल गया जैसा शो मिलेगा, इससे अच्छी क्या, मतलब what you want, what exactly do you want? You want nothing, मतलब लगता है बस अभी life sort हो गई है, मतलब मैं खुश हूँ, तो दिल मिल गया will always be a part. Humsafar, I really connected to Humsafar because Zaki was one character by Harneet Singh which I loved. The portrayal of it was, of course, somehow I managed through it, but the way it was written, it was like something brilliant on a platter. Matlab, Harneet Singh, I should say thank you to her for every time. But when I read the character, I'm like, shit, this is me. This is me. This is unconditional love. I should do this. So, and yeah, and I love doing it. I loved it. Harshad, of course, is a good friend now, and Shivya is also a good friend. And we had a good time. Anirudh, of course, our Dil Mil Gaye director came to Humsafar, so we had a gala time doing Humsafars.
Okay, so any
Yeah.
secret from Dil Mein Gaya that you can share now? Anything you remember? Or any fond memory you can share, if not secret?
A lot of fond memories. So, okay, one memory is initially, see, I was new to television, and I was sitting and I was waiting and talking to my director. I'm a very calm guy, hardly talk, and you know, thoda sa introvert hu main. Then this guy comes and oh, this is the remix guy. Oh, yeah. So he comes and he starts talking, and I'm looking at him, and I'm looking at the director, Nisar. They've been constantly talking for 1 hour, and I'm looking at them, and Wahi can talk. Wahi now still sobered down, but Wahi can talk. And I'm मतलब ये क्या बात कर रहा है इतनी देर से कुछ भी कि मैंने यहाँ पे गाड़ी मार दी और मैंने ये कर दिया और मैंने ये कर दिया, मैं ये घर खरीद रहा हूँ, अब उन्होंने मुझे परेशान कर दिया, मैं इससे पहले जो शो कर रहा था वो I don't like. Okay, मैंने कहा so this is Karan. I used to मतलब initially when I've never been a television fan, I never seen any shows and everything, but while switching channels at home when I was in Delhi, you never ever thought I'd be an actor also, doing my own stuff. I saw this show called Remix, and I saw this guy with a little curly hair and कि हम ये नहीं करेंगे and everything. I'm like, this guy is good, yeah. So I told my younger brother, यार ये लड़का अच्छा है यार, कौन है, क्या नाम है इसका? अरे ये रणवीर सिसोदिया play कर रहा है ये. मैंने कहा अच्छा. Then imagine I'm working with the same guy, and the same guy is talking so much, yeah. That the character was so quiet, and he played it so nicely in
Yeah,
Remix.
very true.
And when I see him in real life, he can talk. I was like, really? Then we slowly and gradually became friends and everything, and then I realized, okay, he talks a lot, but he talks whatever he feels. It's his heart which comes out every time. So yeah,
Good,
it was
good,
wonderful.
good. And you have been very blessed to be like around with a good friends, good bunch of friends. So can you talk about more about them?
Yeah, I consider myself really lucky, like really lucky. मतलब बचपन से लेकर आज तक मैं बोलूंगा, ऐसा नहीं है कि ऐसा फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में आने के बाद हुआ है या इंडस्ट्री में आने के बाद हुआ है. I have a lot of good friends in Delhi also, and I'm constantly in touch with them, like constantly. I can literally name them. मतलब I have Virender, Abhimanyu, and Aditya, and then Manish Paul. We've grown up together. Shoaib, मतलब भीड़ है मतलब, और वो लोग ऐसा मतलब एक फैमिली होती है ना. So we've been together always. कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो, कुछ भी हो, मतलब फरहान को फोन कर लिया, इसको फोन कर लिया, कुछ ना कुछ मैं हमेशा कर रहा होता था. मेरी माँ परेशान रहती थी कि तुम घर कब आओगे बेटा वापस, मतलब दोस्तों के साथ ही रह लो ना. तो बोलता था अच्छा मैं आ रहा हूँ. तो मैं वापस आता था. तो मेरा जो रूम था वो ऊपर था. मतलब दिल्ली में घर बड़े होते हैं थोड़े, हमारे पास जमीन है तो छत भी है. तो दिल्ली में ऐसा होता था. तो ऐसा हुआ मेरे साथ. तो फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे मेरा रूम था. तो मैं वापस भी आता था तो 4 दोस्त मेरे साथ आते थे, और फिर ऊपर चिल कर रहे हैं, ऊपर बातें कर रहे हैं, कुछ ना कुछ कर रहे हैं. मतलब लड़के हरकतें करते हैं कुछ ना कुछ, कभी पतंग उड़ा रहे हैं, कभी लड़कियां छेड़ रहे हैं, कुछ सब कुछ किया हमने. So I've always been around friends, and thankfully they've been always supportive with everything, my decisions, everything. मतलब initially when I was working with Wipro, and it was a big decision to leave a company and get into acting or get into modeling. So I was already working in Wipro for 2.5 years, and I thought I don't want to do this. I can't do this. So then I spoke to my friends. So आपने said, you mad or what? मैंने कहा no, I can't do this. Then they said कि see, if you really want to follow your heart, then just follow it. Then do not question everyone, and do not ask anyone, and do not take anybody's suggestion. Just do it. So everybody supported me, the whole idea, including the family, just do it. So I just came to Bombay with a job. Of course, my company was not letting me go. They transferred me to Bombay. I said, okay, I'll go with a job, and I'll see what I can do. So I was working in Mumbai also for 6 months. Then I came here. But friends always been supportive, and then me and Manish used to come on and off to Bombay and talk about कि यार क्या करना है, कैसे करना है. But Manish, respect to the guy, Manish is much more hardworking than I am. I'm a lazy fellow. Manish is much more hardworking, and he deserves where he is right now, and I love that. And he's seen more than I have. Because I remember he's up and down from Mumbai to Delhi. Then he was living in Sion somewhere at his uncle's house. But yeah, friends always been there. Manish, then of course Vahi became really close. Then I've been with Vahi, then Anirudh and Prateek. They've been very close to me. They've been suggesting everything. We've been around to each other for everything, including girls. There are a lot of girls as well who sometimes I get involved in a थोड़ा बदनाम हो जाता हूँ. But of course लड़कियाँ भी दोस्त होती हैं यार.
True, very true.
हाँ जीने दो यार मुझे. मैं I'm just kidding.
Okay, आपके बहुत सारे fans आ गए, तो उन सबसे बात कर लेते हैं. A fan Kritika is saying, hi Sehban, I really
Hello.
like your smile. You're too cute.
Oh, thank you so much.
Okay, we have. So you miss working with your Udan co-star on fan page is asking.
Meera is so much fun. I'm telling you on set. Meera, Vidhi, Vijender. मैंने मतलब तीनों के साथ ज़्यादा काम किया है. पारस के साथ थोड़ा कम किया है. But these people are fun to work with. उनके सेट पे कुछ ना कुछ वो कर रहे होते हैं. I don't know if you guys followed my Insta stories. It was fun. And मीरा के दिल में ना एक छोटा सा बच्चा है. वो कुछ ना कुछ करता रहता है. बस किसी से पंगा ले रहा है, कभी कुछ कर रहा है, कभी हंस रही है, कभी किसी को परेशान कर रही है. She is always up to some fun, and it's wonderful. It's nice to be associated with people like Meera, Vijender, and Vidhi. It's
So,
always fun.
One fan Inda is saying, when are you visiting to Indonesia?
Oh, I see. All my friends are in Indonesia. What do I do? Vishal is there, then Ankit Batla is there. सब वहीं पर हैं यार. मतलब मेरे सारे दोस्त, तुम सबने Indonesia. You called everyone to Indonesia. I'll also come. I'll come soon, but not right now. Maybe after one show or so, I'll come.
Okay,
Yeah.
a fan Aman Bhatnagar is asking that what have you learned from your directors that you have worked with throughout your career?
okay, I'll quote this from one of my director. That's Anirudh Rajdirkar, of course, one of my closest friend now. So once you read a script, now you get a script. So he says you read the lines and you read and you see and you do your lines. But eventually what you have to read is के मुद्दा क्या है. अनिरुद्ध का डायलॉग है. मियाँ इसमें he calls me मियाँ because I'm a Muslim, so कहता है मियाँ तुमने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी? मैंने कहा हाँ मामू पढ़ी मैंने. तो I call him मामू. तो तुमने देखा उसमें मुद्दा क्या है? मैंने कहा मामू मुद्दा मतलब no, there's a scene, मतलब there's a scene and what comes out of it. There's a whole set of dialogues, different people are talking, but what's coming out of it? If you know that, the whole culmination of the scene, you would know where it goes. So that's one thing I've learned from my director, that's Anirudh. And that's one of the brilliant thing, because once you start the scene, you would know ke mudda kya hai.
Okay, a fan Preeti is asking that whom do you idolize in your life?
Yeah, I've always idolized my father. He's no more. I still idolize him. And my mother, of course. To tell you frankly, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर तुम घर में ही हो ना, तुम्हें बाहर देखने की जरूरत है ही नहीं. घर में इतनी इंस्पिरेशन मिल जाती है.
True.
और अपने तुम्हारे माँ बाप की इतनी मेहनत है तुम्हें बड़ा करने में, उसी को देख के लगता है यार ये तो बहुत बड़ा काम है. तो मतलब it's as good as running a country, you know. If you can run your house nicely and you have good children and they respect you, then you've done a good job. So I think my parents, of course.
Okay, she's also asking that what makes you strong through the problems in life? When you go through a problem, what makes you strong and what motivates you?
To tell you frankly, patience helps a lot. Patience helps a lot. Matlab, never give up. And then have patience. So if you not giving up ever and keeping that patience within you, things will slowly come smooth and come your way. Because God also knows, if you believe in God, He also knows that this fellow is working hard, waiting patiently, and there.
True.
So not now maybe, but later I'll give him. So that's how it works for everything, whatever you do.
Okay, a fan Poonam Sinha is saying that can you tell us something about your friendship with Jennifer Winget?
It's a very good friendship. We are very good friends, and we during, I think by the end of Dil Mil Gaya we became quite good friends, and we all have a good family, yeah.
True.
And we have a big Dil Mil Gaya family. We all meet, we have fun, and it's a good bonding with all of us. So it's me, Wahi, Jenny, lot of people. Anirudh, Prateek. Prateek was also a part of Dil Mil Gaya. He was a supervising producer, and Anirudh was a director. Then so we have this family,
Okay.
and me and Jenny, we bonded a lot on a lot of things, and we talked a lot about spirituality and lot of things about life and everything. So yeah, she's a wonderful girl, a
Oh.
beautiful girl.
Okay, a fan Aman Bhatnagar is saying that what are your strong point as an actor? Like what do you think?
Emotions.
Okay.
Emotions. I believe I am a very emotional guy, and that works for me. As in, if you tell me to cry, I can cry. If you tell me to laugh, I can laugh. I can do whatever. So,
Oh, amazing.
emotions is my strongest part. Yeah.
Okay, a fan is asking that your hardest part of being a celebrity. What is the one thing that is very hard of being a celebrity when you're a celebrity?
You've constantly being noticed by everyone. That's a strange thing. So when you walk on the street also, that
True.
everybody is looking at you.
True.
तो अगर in a funny way बता रहा हूँ, अगर तुम्हें नाक में से खुजली भी करनी होगी तो तुम नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि तुम्हें लोग देख रहे हैं. तुम्हें ऐसे भी करना होगा ना तो you can't do it because people are watching you. तुम conscious जाते हो कि I should not do this. What will they think? मतलब what am I doing? What look at this guy? He's such a big actor. He's poking his nose and you can't do a lot of things. So one thing, one limitation being an actor is you get noticed so much that you can't do a lot of things. You're not free. You're stuck at times. Yeah.
Okay, a fan Sana is asking that who is your role model in Bollywood?
Role model, yeah. To tell you frankly, when I listen to Shah Rukh Khan, na, it's always so inspiring. Always so inspiring. This guy can talk so well. So well. Matlab, I'm in awe. When it comes to persistence, Amitabh Bachchan kills it. Matlab, you've seen him since when, and he's still there killing it. Like he is a star still. So everybody has their own thing. Amir Khan, you know, slowly, gradually, he keeps doing his good stuff. Matlab, he stands out. He comes with one film or two films in a year, and he stands out. So, you take something from someone, you take something from someone. That's how you idolize people. And it's not that कि मैं तो शाहरुख का fan हूँ तो सलमान तो मुझे पसंद ही नहीं आएगा. You know, Salman has his own charm. Nobody can beat that. But they all have something about them. It's not that they don't have anything. There is something about them which has taken them there. So I think you should, as an actor, I think you should take it from some. थोड़ा उससे लिया, थोड़ा उससे लिया, थोड़ा उससे लिया, और अपना बना लिया. That's what actor does.
Okay.
Yeah.
A fan Seema Chaudhary is saying that this shirt suits you on you.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I love Zara shirts.
Okay, a fan is saying that please come back to Udaan, sir, please.
Oh, I wish I could, yeah. It's taking a lot of time and let's see. It's still in the process and let's see what happens. Also, a lot of other things which are being delayed because I'm not shooting and they're not starting. So, देखते हैं क्या होता है. I would want to, yeah. I would want to, but let's see.
Okay, a crazy fan of you is saying that please just say my name. Her name is Zeba.
Zeba. Wow, that's a beautiful name, Zeba. Hello, I'm Seban.
Okay, a fan Swati is saying that if you are in a bad mood, what will you do to get your mood back?
Eat something nice. I think that helps. That's called food therapy, you know. थोड़ा मीठा खा लो, थोड़ा अच्छा खा लो, थोड़ी चॉकलेट खा लो, और या किसी अच्छे दोस्त से बात कर लो. नहीं तो फिर अच्छा म्यूजिक सुन लो. Music is one thing that saves me. I've survived with music, as in music has saved my life so many times. So yeah, good music also helps.
Okay, a fan Jenny is asking that have you ever had any tough moment in your life?
A lot of them, yeah. Lot of them. I think we all go through. My biggest one has been losing my father. That has been still the toughest moment. I think I can survive anything. Like I can survive anything. Like you stab me, I will survive that. You fire a bullet on me, I'll survive that. But losing family is always been the scariest part. And losing my father was the worst thing. I'm still surviving it, going through it, and you know it takes time.
True. Okay, a fan Saida is saying that what's your next project?
If you're talking about the gossip that just come out, there is something happening. It's gonna take some time, but have patience, and it's gonna be good. Yeah, it's gonna be really good. It's a very good concept, very nice story. Thank you so much, and that's my coffee.
Okay.
And you guys gonna love it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So they have to wait and watch.
Yeah, have some patience. I'm having patience. We all having patience. Something good will happen. Believe me.
Okay. A fan is saying that what do you think about Turkish fans?
Yeah, such a beautiful country. Yeah, such a beautiful country, and the people are so beautiful there. I have seen some pictures, and I wanna be to Turkey. Turkey, Istanbul, beautiful. I'm gonna come soon to Turkey. I'm telling you guys, I'm gonna come soon. Yeah.
Okay. A fan is blushing and saying that Seban, so nice to see you. Oh gosh, seeing your crush live is a goal.
Here's to
Okay.
that.
Okay, one fan is asking that who's your favorite co-star?
Favorite co-star. Yeah. I don't know how to make a favorite co-star, but me and Wahi did a lot of fun while shooting Dil Mil Gaye, a lot of nautanki. So my character was a serious character, and his character was a funny character in Dil Mil Gaye. So I used to give a look, like serious look, के नहीं सिर्फ तुम ये नहीं कर सकते. He was like, मैं तो करूँगा. You know, and I have to keep my face straight because he's doing this in front of me and it's my clothes, and the camera is on me, then I have to be like, भाई आराम से कर, मुझे हंसी आ रही है. So that was fun, and we've done this so much. Me and Harshad had a good time shooting brotherly scenes. That was also nice because Harshad was playing that serious brother and I was playing that, you know, Romeo छाप लड़का जो बस नौटंकी करनी है उसको, और ये वो दारू पी के पहुंच गया अपने भाई के पास कि भाई मैं तो भाई मुझे ले चलो और मुझे ये कर दो. And he's calmly looking at me. Is Zaki, चलो घर चल के बात करते हैं, मतलब नहीं 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 दारू पिएंगे ये करेंगे. So it's been fun. Also what happens is after a while when you do all these scenes now, you get into that character and you become that person. So
true.
once you're shooting, it's like you're living that part.
Very
So that other character, the other co-actor is living that part and you are living this part. So that's really interesting because something new comes out of it.
True.
You know, because it's not Sehwan, it's not Karan, it's not Harshad, it's not Jenny, it's not Neha Julka, it's not Shivya Patania, but they are living those characters, whatever they are playing, and I am living my character. So something new comes out. So it's always good to connect with a co-actor or you know, because then good stuff really comes out.
Okay.
Yeah.
A fan Jilmil is asking that what makes you happy?
My mom. Looking at my mom, if she's happy, that makes me happy. That's the basic root of my happiness. उसके बाद और बहुत सारी खुशियाँ हैं. उसके बाद खूबसूरत लड़कियों देख के भी खुश हो जाता हूँ और बहुत सारी चीजें देख के खुश होता हूँ. ऐसा नहीं है. लेकिन हाँ, मेरी हैप्पीनेस स्टार्ट होती है मेरी माँ की खुशी से. मतलब मेरी माँ खुश है, मुझे लगता है यार मेरी जिंदगी अच्छी चल रही है. सबके साथ ऐसा होना चाहिए. अगर आपके साथ नहीं है तो आप अपना मोटो बना लीजिए कि आपके माँ बाप अगर खुश हैं तो आपकी जिंदगी अच्छी है और हो जाएगी. Believe me,
True.
this works.
Okay, a fan Preeti is saying that what is the most challenging factor for an actor who is not from Mumbai city and who has to stay here and make it?
बहुत मेहनत है भैया. बहुत मेहनत है. But persistency, you know, be persistent, hard work, that works. I'm telling you frankly, face, good looks doesn't matter. Your talent matters. If you're a good actor, it will work. Irrespective of you're fair, you're dark, you're short, whatever, it doesn't matter. If you have the talent, if you have that thing in you, that drive in you, that you can become that person what you want to be, you will eventually become that person. So it's an old saying, what you're seeking is seeking you. So looks अगर कुछ matter नहीं करते eventually. आप इनिशियली आपको थोड़ा हेल्प हो जाएगी कि आप गुड लुकिंग हैं तो आपको थोड़ा काम जल्दी मिल गया. लेकिन इवेंचुअली आपको काम आना जरूरी है. एज एन एक्टर यू हैव टू बी एन एक्टर. सो दैट्स व्हाट मैटर्स. लगे रहो, परसिस्टेंसी आई वुड से.
Okay. A fan Himani is saying that out of all your characters you have played, which one do you really connect with?
All of them now. All of them now. Because once you start believing a character, you start connecting with them. पहले initially when I started acting, I thought Dr. Yuvraj would be the closest one. But then I slowly and gradually realized because you live these characters, you start living them or you start connecting with them also. तो अभी recently अभी मैं उड़ान में इंस्पेक्टर अजय खुराना प्ले करता था. थोड़े टाइम में मुझे लगने लगा कि मैं पुलिस वाला हूँ. मतलब I felt like मतलब एक आध को तो मैं अंदर कर दूंगा यहाँ पे. तो you know, after shooting अगर मैं बाहर भी आ रहा हूँ और सेट वालों को देखा तो I have this डंडा in my hand. चलो क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे, बारिश हो रही है. So I felt like doing it. You know, that instinct comes out of it. कि मैं एक पुलिस वाला हूँ. I have the whole world, I have the gun, everything. So you start believing in those characters because you're living them after a while. TV में होता क्या है कि फिल्म की तरह नहीं है कि आपको एक महीने का schedule है. You constantly 12 hours you are in that character. So somewhere you become that character. Yeah. One of the reason I try to avoid doing these negative characters because in television you're doing it so much. And you feel like कि मैं तो बहुत कमीना हूँ. You know, so it happens.
True. So now we'll play a game. Fans can also play. So these are few Hindi songs जिनके English translations I have and I'll tell them और आपको वो guess करना है हिंदी songs. Okay.
हिंदी songs guess करने.
हाँ, English translations है.
Okay.
ठीक है. So we'll start.
That's a good one. Okay. Let's try that.
Okay, so first one is very easy ताकि थोड़ा ये मिल जाए. Sometimes in my heart there comes a thought as
कभी
if,
कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है.
see मैंने बोला था first one is very easy.
That's one of my favorite songs. यार.
हाँ तो फिर guess करना ही था. The other one goes like this. Your eyes are a maze, your talks are a maze. In the lanes of my dreams, I keep looking for you.
Yeah.
Your eyes are a maze, your talks are a maze. In the lanes of my dreams, I keep looking for you.
तेरी आंखें आंखों का.
तेरी आंखें तक तो ठीक है.
Oh shit! Give me some. तेरी आंखें. Maze, मतलब maze हिंदी में होगा would be what is maze in Hindi? What is maze in Hindi? रहस्य नहीं.
No, रहस्य नहीं होता.
What is it? Tell me no.
Should I tell the answer? चलो ये बोल देती हूँ. तेरी आंखें भूल भुलैया, बातें हैं भूल भुलैया.
Oh, भूल भुलैया. Okay,
हाँ.
maze. Now that's right. तेरी आंखें भूल भुलैया, बातें हैं भूल. Oh, I don't know this song much.
Okay, no problem.
If you tell me the song which I like, now I would definitely come with it.
Okay.
Yeah.
The other one is, oh, this night, this season, along the river bank, this playful wind.
ये रातें ये मौसम नदी का किनारा.
Very
ये
nice.
चंचल हवा. See,
Good.
the songs I like, I will come to it.
Okay, the next one is, day is about to end, twilight is on the way, let me go, I have to go.
Oh.
Day is about to end, twilight is on the way, let me go, I have to go. एक टाइम ने तो गेस भी कर लिया, very fast.
रात दिन गुजर गया, दिन गुजर गया, रात बाकी है, जाने दो, ऐसा कुछ.
हाँ, पीछे का सही गेस किया, आगे का सब गड़बड़ कर दिया.
रात बाकी बात बाकी. Is it that?
No. Day is about to end.
दिन खत्म होने वाला है, दिन गुजरने वाला है और रात चढ़ने वाली है, रात आने वाली है.
रात कहाँ चढ़ रही है?
वो सूरज ढलता है.
हाँ, वही वाला है. ढल गया दिन, हो गई शाम, जाने दो, जाना है. Okay, the next one is, what happened to your promise, that woe, that belief, the day my heart forgets you will be the last day
क्या
of my
हुआ
life.
तेरा वादा.
Perfect.
See, good songs are always there.
Okay, the next one is, every second this life changes itself. Sometimes there is shade, sometimes there is sun. Every second this life changes itself. Perfect. Chalo, last one is, shall I tell you or shall I keep quiet about the condition of my heart?
Shall I tell you?
Shall I tell you or shall I keep quiet about the condition of my heart?
कह दूं तुम्हें या
वाह.
चुप रहूं.
सिर्फ एक ही गलत आया, बाकी सब सही.
That song is too different. I can't understand. That's very commercial song. That's not a soulful song. I'm a guy with soulful music.
Okay, so we have a few more fans. Iman Akhtar is saying, Salam Sehban, miss you so much. What about in Udan? He's saying.
Walaikum assalam. And I hope I could be back, but let's see. But there's something more coming always.
True. So one fan is asking them, how do you rate your journey in the industry so far?
Nowhere. I'm just at the beginning, you know. Just started. Nothing has happened much because the kind of things I wanna do still hasn't happened. So it's just the beginning, I would say. It's just that I'm liking the journey, so I'm happy with it. So whatever I have is content, is making me content, and whatever I want to achieve, I'm working towards it. So there is the journey. I would say is an interesting journey. If somebody would sit next to me and I would tell everything what I've gone through, तो the person would surely say कि यार मतलब मजा तो आया होगा, interesting तो रहा होगा, you know, the graph ऊपर नीचे, तो it's interesting, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah.
A fan is asking that what do you do in your spare time?
I listen to a lot of music. I read a lot. I go to the gym. Then I have lot of friends and I party a lot.
Okay, so one
दोस्तों
fan.
के साथ बहुत टाइम वेस्ट करता हूँ मैं. जिसको मैं वेस्ट करना नहीं बोलता हूँ, माँ बाप बोलते थे कि जब देखो दोस्तों के साथ टाइम वेस्ट करते रहते हो, बट मुझे लगता है मैं उनके साथ टाइम वेस्ट नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मुझे कुछ ना कुछ करने को मिल रहा है उनसे, and that's happiness. You're spending good quality time with friends, that works for me.
Okay, fan Nanda is asking that what is your favorite book? Which is your favorite book?
Alchemist is one of my favorite book. Alchemist, because the time I got that book was a sign for me. I was going through a very bad phase. And the whole book transformed me in a different way. Transformed me in the sense it gave me a very good perspective towards life. that how this man becomes alchemist and how the whole journey of going to a place and coming back to the same place is also matters. You know what matters is the journey that matters. So that really made me think a lot about life, and I realized that you go through these bad phases, but these bad phases are supposed to be there so that you become stronger and better. So it's like it's your transformation. Your bad phases, आप बुरे अपने फेज में जाते हो, उसके बाद जो आप निकल के आते हो ना, तो और अच्छा निकल के आते हो. The idea is to survive that.
True.
So I think Alchemist is one of the book.
Okay, a fan Subrat, he is saying Salam Sehban. When are you coming to Hyderabad? He's a huge fan from Hyderabad.
Hyderabad is a beautiful. I've been there once. I went for a shoot. So I did a print campaign for Indigo Nation in Hyderabad. And it was a beautiful place, yeah. And then we went to this Ramoji Film City goes from Hyderabad only.
Yeah.
So me and few friends, Avinash was a part of it. Avinash Sasdev, if you guys know, was a part of it.
Yeah.
So we all went to do this ad with Preeti Zinta, TVS Scooty ad, long time back. So initially art modeling days. So that's once when I saw Hyderabad and I really loved it. Let's see. I've heard the food is really good. Hyderabadi biryani खाने में ज़रूर आऊँगा. So I'm gonna see you guys soon in Hyderabad.
Okay.
I hope my shoot or schedule comes to Hyderabad and I'm coming
Yeah,
there and
we
shooting.
hope.
Then that will be even more fun.
Good. So one fan Saida is asking that would you like to participate in reality show Big Boss?
I am not. It's been 7-8 years I haven't done any non-fiction, so I don't think I am that non-fiction guy anyway. You know, but मुझे नहीं पता मतलब it's how Wahi, Ritvik, Manish, these my closest friends, they do it brilliantly, but मैं थोड़ा सा बच लेता हूँ. मतलब मैं सोचता हूँ कि कोई fiction दे दो मुझे, you know. Big Boss तो I don't know, very difficult to even think of it. How they treat you and how things happen and how eventually यार तुम एक इंसान को कुछ बेचारे लोगों को एक कमरे में बंद कर दोगे, उनको खाना नहीं दोगे, उनको बाथरूम से नहीं जाने दोगे, उनको गाड़ी में बिठा दोगे, तो बेचारे पागल हो जाएंगे ना. तो क्यों उनके साथ ऐसा करना है यार. मतलब मुझे तो मजा भी नहीं आता. I don't even watch Big Boss because I don't like seeing them in such state. कि यार मतलब क्यों करना है ऐसा. Why do you need it for entertainment? I don't understand this kind of entertainment.
Okay.
Yeah.
So finally we'll play one rapid fire game with you.
Okay.
Okay, so it goes like this. If you woke up as the following stars in the morning, what would you do? Karan Wahi.
लाफ के फिर तो मैं मतलब बेड पे भी तो ही मिलेगा अभी. हर जगह तो ही होता है. अभी मेरे बेड पे भी तो ही है. So I will laugh.
Okay, Ritvik Dhanjani.
आशा कहाँ है भाई. मेरे आशा. हमेशा आशा के साथ क्यों नहीं है तुम. दोस्तों के साथ होता है हमेशा.
Okay, Jigyasa Singh.
क्यूट लड़की है कितनी सी. जिगू को मैं बोलूंगा जिगू चलो शूट का टाइम हो गया, चलो तैयार हो जाओ बेटा.
Okay, Meera Deostale.
मीरा तो कुछ ना कुछ ऑलरेडी फनी चीज कर रही होगी, या तो हंस रही होगी या किसी को हंसा रही होगी. तो आई विल बी द पार्ट ऑफ दैट जोक और पूछूंगा सब ठीक है, ऑल गुड मीरा. कौन सा जोक है अभी नया.
Okay, if you could be invisible, which actor would you stalk and why?
If I would be invisible,
Yeah.
which actor would I stalk?
Yeah.
And that's an interesting one, yeah. Yeah, I guess. यार मुझे आलिया भट्ट बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगती है. दीपिका पादुकोण बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगती है. I've worked with Deepika, so she's a very wonderful girl to talk to and very warm and very nice. We did a Levi's signature campaign together. So we were talking while shooting and everything. Very sweet and very, very humble. But I find both of them really interesting. I would want to know क्या चल रहा था. मुझे भी बताओ. Gossip दो. Yeah.
Okay, have you ever had a crush on a co-star but never told her?
Yeah.
Okay, who's the first person that comes to your mind when I say the following? Talkative.
Wahi.
Mama's boy.
Me.
Okay, most likely to be caught red-handed.
Suyash.
Okay, gossip queen.
Gossip queen कौन है हमारे में? नहीं यार, we don't do gossip.
Okay, daredevil.
Karan Wahi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Your first celebrity crush.
First celebrity crush.
Hmm.
Oh, okay. This was way back. Drew Barrymore.
Okay.
Yeah. I used to love. I saw this movie called Never Been Kissed, and I fell in love with her. And then I got to know she's a Piscean. And I fell in love with her even more. And she was really cute. She's still cute. I still follow her on Instagram. There's something about her.
Okay, the last one is, if you have a matrimonial ad, what would it say?
Matrimonial ad.
Yeah.
ये सहबान है, इसको शादी नहीं करनी है, इसलिए फोन मत करना प्लीज। और नीचे जो नंबर दिया गया है इसकी मम्मी का है, उसको बोलना है कि हम शादी नहीं कर सकते, ये लड़का अच्छा नहीं।
Okay, a final message to all your fans.
Yeah, thank you so much to be frank and truthful. You guys have really supported me a lot, and I've spoken to a lot of fans, and I cannot speak to all of them because
true.
इतने सारे हो नहीं पाता है, and I would say sorry for it also because मैं चाहता भी हूँ करना, लेकिन वो क्या होता है कि मैं हमेशा फोन पे होता हूँ, then people say कि यार सहबान तो हमेशा फोन पे होता है, what are you doing? Yeah, I'm saying कि I'm talking to some fan. How much? मतलब I cannot. I would want to, but I try at times. एक दिन ऐसा आएगा मैं एक दिन छुट्टी लेके बैठूंगा और कहूँगा चलो let's talk, you know. But thank you so much for all the support. You've been around me. You've been there. I've read your messages, and I have taken decisions around them as well. And thankfully, it's been very positive. I have known people who get really bad messages from fans and from different people. But I'm really thankful to Allah and thankful to God that I've always got a good response and a positive response from you people, and I love that, and it really counts. Thank you so much.
Okay, this is a small gift from us and Florista for you.
All right.
Thank you so much. It
Okay.
has a message also.
Can I read it?
Yeah, you can.
Exquisite expressions. Thank you. You rock. Oh, I rock. It's a beautiful message.
Thank you so much for joining. Thank you.
Nice.
Bye.
Bye bye. Thank you so much, everyone.